Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to act right away. Stop saving files and switch the device to airplane mode to prevent overwrites. Install a current, well-reviewed photo recovery app updated in the last 12 months. Once installed, grant only the permissions required for scanning. Avoid full backups until you see recoverable items. If the photos were on an SD card, remove it and use a card reader for the scan. This first phase preserves data integrity and gives the app the best chance to find lost images. Now run a deep or sector-level scan. This reads raw storage and can recover fragmented images that quick scans miss. While the scan progresses, apply filters for file type, date range, and size to narrow results and save time. Use the app's thumbnail preview to confirm files. This avoids restoring corrupted or irrelevant items. Make sure to export recovered photos to a different drive or cloud location to prevent overwriting the source medium during this middle stage recovery. Export recovered images to a separate drive or cloud account so you don't overwrite source sectors. After export, verify integrity by opening multiple files in your native photo viewer and checking metadata for timestamps and resolution. Once done, organize and back up the confirmed photos to avoid repeat loss. If files are missing or corrupted, stop further writes. Try a different updated recovery app or consult a professional data recovery service. This troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.